Estontia umusubati Joan Joy niko bono AGENIGWA ime yo ense no mogoko maiga yo guika ense ime ense ya Kenya kurwase ense mo ya Bangkok Thailand hase abete gakubwa ekewa kyo Estontia kya Miss Independent International Africa yense ngima ukwana nigeta seni kigagi ensoko TV Joy niko bono abagandira basubati bali babwate ebyego byo Estontia kubeka umukya ilikuwa nikiango ikirana bale chindoto chiaba muri kitodani omwaga no alinga sumuro bilyo Robert Roya senchera yubikirana
Magega yokulia ira emetie nyemeke ya etire yogochia kubaturunkania na kubabuga bamereri baye Enting'Ana yagosoria yo Estontia Joan Joy nigo bono aikaye yokobwe kwana asomuyega bwo kumugenia mayega yogekemeye ense ya Kenya kurwa Bangkok ime ya Thailand Joan nigo bono ayeneke bunumukia amona masabo naro engenchene ne yobwibwaye.
Very humbled, first of all. I thank the Lord, and of course I'm very overjoyed. I'm overwhelmed with a lot of gladness, and I really say thank you to everyone who supported me. The journey has been both tough and good at the same time. It requires a lot of patience, dedication, a lot of training and practice so that you're able to get to the top.
Joan nigo bona babuli abasubati bali babwate ebyego byo Estontia gokoromokia ilyo wikirania chindoto chiabo asebo igo abakerambu yabona babwatani bonsi bali bamokonyire wikirania to yae
out there looking at conquering a global title. I want to tell you one thing: what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. So whatever you believe in, keep fighting for it, keep practicing for it, and keep chasing your dreams. First of all, thank you to my franchise, Mark Modeling Academy, the director, Miss Independent International, for stage. A big thank you to my manager, Mr. Shua Morema, for the support and guidance. My parents for always standing beside me, for encouraging me emotionally and supporting. Thank you to my sisters, my best friends, the church, and of course to all the media teams out there that really supported me. I appreciate it.
Abaibuli baya Joy nigo bona bamwakire Nyasaye mbuya mono asaba igo babuli abaibuli bande ko basira abana babo bali babwate ebyegwa elewekania ebyegwa byabo.
My name is Paul Otieno Oriedi. I'm the father to Joy Joan. The example of Joy is a bit unique. My vision with her was to study gender and development, which she actually accomplished. When she was there, she discovered her talent. I realized as much as I was trying to discourage her, that is where her interest was. And I decided that if my daughter has a passion, it is much more easier to pursue passion than the profession. So I only want to encourage fellow parents that grant your child the desire of his or her heart.
I'm Joy Joan's mother. Joy being my second born, I'm proud of her. Joy has a lot of scars, but I told her these scars, they are the things that will catapult you to the level which you want. And indeed, she has already been catapulted to that level. She can still go to any other level she wants. We'll support her. We are so happy for her. And we thank God for everything. It is the Lord who has done this. Every good thing in our life is worth thanking God. We owe God thanks. It is not by our own strength, neither is it our own might, but God has done it.
Omotrendi bwe school ya Delight Technical College asomo yugo yokorekana nigo ene kyomo kyolia begete ede kwene Kinga Joy obereko bakayukerania ndoto ya yeyo Estontia asensemo yendo morandio ya Joy nigo ene kebuna amasabonsi na Nyasaye na rabeta bakayukerania ndoto yeyo.
My name is Setoti Metamei, principal at Delight Technical College, and today we've had a very wonderful homecoming ceremony for Joan Joy, the Miss Independent Africa Queen. Some words to encourage the models in the industry is that we are here, other players are here to make sure that you have the right kind of support. This is the kind of assistance that we extended to Joan Joy. We made sure that she has clothes for arrival, for evening wear, and she was set for independent.
My name is Pastor Boniface Sove. I am the pastor to Joy Joan. I'm here to congratulate her and to thank God for the great things that He has done in her life.
aserio yerimo abwatani bande abo bekana asomo yogoyo nigo bono barekana kunyeburia serikali kobenyona kobasira basubati bali babwate ebyegwa byogwesitontia
Samali tango ku Bernard Smanto museva maitem na babu mtekova ndere tuacha kega ko celebrate joy na oiranire nobobwe gotoro kimna no pageant ase chinse cheisiko ne bwateli baka if onyentonyore support isaine kurwa se serikali chi stakeholders a 100% sure ntogende ale sana toko request serikali hakikishenga yabekire chi policies chikonya kwa accommodate our queens and queens who could represent our country in international competition but inside the Kenya they are not recognized.
Inkorporated geteseni igien Soko TV kurwa se skuru ya Daylight Technical College imuyebo takati ebuwa mochio Nairobi iriotari ya nego nkoro kwa Daniel Omwaga.